Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of how to fix the problem of not loading on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings, and above you will search about CapCut and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.